Join me as I dive into the fascinating world of graphite and diamond. Can I explain what makes them so different in just 5 minutes? Graphite is what you find in your pencil lead, soft and slippery. It leaves a mark on paper, simple and practical. But then there's diamond, a gemstone that's all about beauty and strength. What's mind-blowing is that both are made of the same element, carbon. So how can two forms of carbon be so different? Let's uncover the science behind their unique structures together. You might wonder, how can one element create such different materials? It's a fascinating question that dives deep into the heart of chemistry. The real challenge is understanding how the same atoms can lead to such diverse outcomes. Think of it like Legos. One set can build anything from a cozy house to a sleek spaceship. It's all about how we connect those building blocks together. Did you know that the arrangement of atoms can completely change a material's properties? Take graphite, for example. It's soft and slippery because its carbon atoms form a layered hexagonal structure. This unique arrangement lets the layers slide past each other easily, making graphite an excellent lubricant. Now, contrast that with diamond. Its carbon atoms are arranged in a tetrahedral structure. Each atom bonds to 4 neighbors, creating a strong and rigid framework. That's why diamond is one of the hardest substances on Earth. So, the next time you see these materials, remember, it's all about the atomic arrangement. Did you know that the structure of a diamond is what makes it incredibly hard? It's the hardest substance known, able to scratch through almost anything. Now, compare that to graphite, which is one of the softest materials. But here's the twist. Graphite is a fantastic conductor of electricity. Why? Because its layered structure lets electrons move freely. On the other hand, diamond is an insulator, trapping those electrons in place. Isn't it fascinating how structure defines their properties? Did you know that the arrangement of atoms in graphite and diamond makes them so different? Graphite is layered and flexible, which is why it's perfect for electrodes and batteries. It's also a great lubricant for machinery. Who knew? On the flip side, diamond's structure is super strong and hard. That's why we use diamonds in cutting tools and jewelry. And guess what? They're even used in making semiconductors. So the way atoms are arranged really shapes their uses in our world. Graphite and diamond are incredible examples of carbon's versatility. It's amazing how the same building blocks can create such different materials. Their unique properties come down to atomic structure, how atoms are arranged. This shows us that the possibilities with carbon are truly endless. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What fascinates you most about graphite and diamond? And if you're curious about more science topics, check out my other videos.